Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to profession of a chartered accountant. Okay, profession related problem relating to chartered accountant. Okay, Mr. Ramarao is a chartered accountant in Mysore. He is receipts and payment account for the previous year ending 31st March 2022 is as follows. So let us see the question relating to it clearly. So see here, balance receipt side, payment side. Receipt side balance is given, no need to consider that balance. So closing balance, opening balance you should ignore. Dividend will not come as a business income, it comes under other sources. And here the dividend is also, if more than 10 lakhs, then only it is taxable, because Indian dividend received from Indian company is exempt up to 10 lakh rupees. above 10 lakh rupees 10% taxable है अदर सोर्स में, यहाँ पे तो नहीं आता. Professional income, this is professional income we need to consider. House rent, this comes under house property, not under profession. Race course income, this amount comes under other sources. 24,000 whatever is there, income from other source में आता. 24,000 रेसेस के लिए, अगर हॉर्स रेस है तो अप टू 5,000 से ज़्यादा है तो इनटू 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 70 करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. ओ अदर सोर्स में यहाँ पे तो ज़रूरत नहीं है. इन दिस वी डोंट रिक्वायर. सो डिविडेंड विल नॉट कम, हाउस रेंट विल नॉट कम, रेस कोर्स विल नॉट कम. Lottery price, net income, this lottery is also comes under income from other source, not under the head income from business or profession. So lottery 1,20,000, if you are doing income from other source, there what you will take, this is net amount after deducting TDS. So into 100 divided by 30 we need to take, because 30% TDS will be deducted. So let us see the other points relating to this question. Only one thing will come, professional income, as we are considering income from business or profession. Remaining all will not come. Salary will be allowed as professional expenditure. Rent will be allowed. Telephone charges will be allowed. Professional expenses will be allowed. Motor car expenses will be allowed. Miscellaneous will be allowed. Purchase of car, please remember 31st, not 31st September will be there, 30th September it should be. Okay, so 30th September 2021, 1,80,000 car has been purchased, but depreciation put to use less than 180 days or more than 180 days. Put to use less than 180 days or more than 180 days. See, after 3rd October, if anything is there, then it will be less than 180 days. It is before 3rd October, then we need to consider it as more than 180 days. So full depreciation लेना. See, यहाँ पे business profession में, in case of income tax, don't consider it is 6 months, because we need to check the, is it before 180 डेज से ज़्यादा है या 180 डेज से कम है, वो देखना है. पुट टू यूज़ लेस देन 180 डेज और पुट टू यूज़ मोर देन 180 डेज, वी नीड टू सी टू टेक फुल डिप्रिसिएशन और हाफ डिप्रिसिएशन. सो कार परचेज्ड 30 September दे सेड, सो पुट टू यूज़ मोर देन 180 डेज रहेगा. सो 1,80,000 into 15% depreciation we need to take. Okay, next point, advance income tax will not come, personal expenses will not come, purchase of professional books, ये बुक्स के ऊपर 40% डिप्रिसिएशन ले लो. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विल कम, LIC प्रीमियम विल नॉट कम, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस विल नॉट कम. Let us see additional information what is being given. 1/3 of the car relates to the personal. So out of car Okay, car expenses here, motor car expenses are there, into 2/3 only we need to take, remaining 1/3 is relating to personal. And depreciation on motor car allowed at 15% they are saying. On this also 1,80,000 into 15% into 2/3 we need to take, because 1/3 is relating to personal, so remaining professional वाला ही आता है. Let us see one more point. Rent includes 30,000 paid for residential accommodation. So out of rent 60,000 minus 30,000, you take only 30,000. Next, miscellaneous expenses includes donation paid to a notified temple. So miscellaneous expenses में say minus 20,000 we need to do. And for your knowledge purpose I am saying it is not related with this question, but if they ask you to do total income and tax liability, then this 20,000 donated to a temple will come as deduction under section 80G. 80G में donations to temple will be allowed as deduction with, okay, so 10% of the adjusted gross total income or 20,000 amount deposited, whichever is there, that will be allowed as exemption 50% कैटेगरी में आता है. सो ये डोनेशंस को अभी आप छोड़ दो, बस सिंपली आपको बस प्रोफेशनल इनकम पूछा, टोटल इनकम टैक्स लाइबिलिटी करने के लिए नहीं पूछे. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट डोनेशन. सो डोनेशन 20,000 यू जस्ट डिडक्ट हियर, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, इतना ही याद रखो बस. ओके, सो लेट अस सी दी compute in his income from profession for the assessment year 22-23. So let us see the his income from profession, chartered accountant. Computation of total income, taxable income from profession. Mr. Ramarao, chartered accountant. Okay, for the year previous year 2021-22, assessment year 22-23, resident है. Particulars amount, professional income only one thing will come under incomes, 5,60,000. Salary will come, rent उसमें हाउस रेजिडेंशियल पर्पस में यूज़ कर रहे, अकोमोडेशन 30,000 डिडक्ट करे तो ओनली 30,000. टेलीफोन चार्जेस विल कम, प्रोफेशनल एक्सपेंसेस विल कम, मोटर कार 2/3 will come. So out of 48,000, 1/3 is used for own personal purpose, will not come, only 2/3 remaining will come, so 32,000. Depreciation on car 1,80,000 into 2/3 into 15% only will come. Then miscellaneous expenses 30,000 minus donation जो है ना, डोनेशन आपका चैरिटी आपके पर्सनल नेचर का है, सो दैट इज़ नॉट अलाउड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. परचेज ऑफ प्रोफेशनल बुक्स 8,000 into 40% डिप्रिसिएशन. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जेस 4,000. सो टोटल प्रोफेशनल एक्सपेंसेस 2,41,200. सो इनकम फ्रॉम प्रोफेशन विल बी कैलकुलेटेड एज फॉलोज. 5,60,000 minus 2,41,200, remaining will be your income from profession. Here is the answer, 3,18,800. Hope you have understood this easily. मैंने पूरा डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की, एंड वी डिड इट इन जस्ट 10 minutes. So hope you will understand this one and share it with your friends. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद.